Friends, today I would like to offer my estimate of listing price of Burger King IPO. The scrip will be listed on NSE and BSE on 14 December 2020. Friends, in addition to the losses during last 4 accounting years, the business of these quick service restaurants is severely affected by complete lockdown and subsequent partial lockdown and night curfew. And yet the IPO received very strong response from the investor community. The subscription of this IPO closed on 4th December 2020. The IPO is subscribed 156.65 times. QIB investors were offered 404 lakhs equity shares, and QIB portion was oversubscribed by 86.64 times. NII investors were offered 204 lakh shares, and NII portion was oversubscribed by 354.11 times, whereas retail investors were offered 136 lakh shares, and retail portion is oversubscribed by 68.15 times. As we know, determination of listing price depends on various factors, which includes profitability of the company, its growth potential, market mood on the listing day, and also NII oversubscription. NII oversubscription plays very important part in determining listing price of any IPO. Moreover, latest grey market trend also plays important role, and now we shall discuss these aspects in detail. As we know, NII portion is oversubscribed by 354.11 times. So a person who invested rupees 1 crore in this IPO and applied for 1.67 lakh shares of rupees 60 each has been allotted only 470 shares. We know that the funds blocked in this IPO carries interest cost, and in this IPO interest cost for NII investor comes to rupees 28.50 per share. At present, premium quoted in the grey market is around rupees 44. Let's discuss probable market mood on 14 December 2020. At present, general market mood is very bullish. However, the market on Monday, listing day, is expected to witness profit booking and some correction. Considering various aspects, I expect the listing to be around 98 to 102. However, considering strong fancy for this IPO, during intraday movement, the scrip is expected to touch rupees 112 to 115. If you want to retain this scrip for long term, then it can bring good returns. This is my estimate, and the investors should take decision based on their own calculations and as per the guidance of their investment advisors. Thanks a lot.